Tim, look at your shadow.
Bakit? Letter E. Asan yung letter E?
Where's E?
Asan si Seichi dapat?
E.
E.
Ah, okay. Sige, sige.
Okay.
Okay, Iting, pasok.
Nakatayo, diba?
Okay, words out.
Go.
Bye-bye.
Letters.
Sama ako dito.
Aray ko. Sorry.
Aray ko rin.
Sorry. Aray ko.
Wait till Carla grabs the boxes.
And exit. Or that.
Tatay.
Setting. Bang.
And he egg rolls. That's what we call it here. Egg roll.
1, 2, 3. Walk.
Lahat tayo'y mayroong pag... I think dito, bakit kulang to?
Sorry!
John's fans. Sa tingin pa lang ay nakikita na...
Iba.
Iba. Ikaw mag-shout line. Next scene daw.
Next scene.
Sige lang.
Ano nanitignan?
Ikaw tingnan mo. Gago ka.
Next scene.
Oo, napatingin talaga ako. Magandang bundok. Hindi ako makakatulog yan.
Trabaho ako ngayon natin.
Makatrauma ako.
Felix ba ka? Cute. Next scene.
Slater. Ay! Shit!
Laka diha.
Hindi kasi may naisip ako. I'll tell you about it later.
Next scene.
Car.
Go.
Miguel, remember what we talked about? The car has
Shake. Ay, ang baba.
sideways. Ang
Car
car.
change. Nakita ko may hawak ka. Ayos ako may hawak.
Ano nangyari sa kotse ko? Ba't matagilid na ako? Ano ba yan? Dali na. Ay! Ano ba yun? Alam ko na anong problema natin. Sige, ulitin natin. Balik tayo sa start. Ganito. Ano muna tayo dito lahat? Lahat ng i-exit, straight dito. Lahat ng papasok, manggagaling sa likod. Kasi ang nangyayari, palagi tayong nag-aanuhan. So, lahat ng e-enter galing sa likod dito. Dito kayo, half of this stage. Dito tayo papasok, papunta dito. Ang e-exit, dito lang.
What about the family portion?
Sa family portion, okay na yun eh.
Okay.
Yung sa ano lang...
Okay.
Laging right exit, hindi left.
Hindi, either left or right, pareho pa rin. Basta
nandito sa
if mag-exit kayo dito, and then if papasok kayo, manggagaling tayo dito. Tapos pwesto dito, ganyan.
Kidoki.
Okay. Sorry yun? Oo, kasi palagi tayo nagkabanggaan eh.
Okay.
So, lipat sila yung mga props
Baby. Anyara sa baby.
From the word ethic.
Or baliktad. Exit up.
I was
Backwards.
thinking about that, pero the thing is, people who exit have to be fast so that the next scene can start.
Oo.
So it really doesn't...
Matter.
Sige,
we'll see.
Zero na.
Letter E.
Oh no.
Letter G.
So I'm setting up props.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
Okay, Iting, pasok. Words
Next
out.
scene.
Out.
Letters out.
Exit sideways.
No, libre.
Props. Pako, pasok mo na yun.
Kamay pa.
Stick.
Dalang.
Waiting, pasok mo na yung stick. Yung ginagin yung pan-stick.
Okay.
Exit. Ay, ba't nasa kabila yung kotse?
Tatay!
Tatay!
Basta yung kotse na.
Anali!
Bang!
Hiting.
Bang!
Exit.
Bang mo. Aray!
Bigel! Ba't nandyan sa kabila yung sakyan? Nilipat mo?
Ready for bundok? Oo.
Oy.
Akong gadala. Doon ka sa likod, manggagaling ha.
Lahat tayo.
Wait.
Itapon mo talaga, di ba?
Oo. Let's Pico.
Malayo, Jude, malayo.
Your hair!
Tin. I think, ang gamitin mo na lang is yung, ano mo na lang, kamay mo na lang. I-fill up mo na lang yung
Tin.
gaps.
Sir.
Elbow
Throw the
mo
net.
or something. Yung ganyan lang. Kasi palaging nakikita mo. Pyramid. Pwede na yun.
It should be, Kuya Ting
Yep.
throws his crutches first before they come in.
Fill that hole in!
Yeah.
Yun!
You come in only after Kuya Iting throws his crutches.
Oh, wait.
Kung walang tao,
Ay,
ganyan
naku,
kung pagtapon ha. Kung walang tao na lang.
Ha?
Tara, kami na lahat tayo.
Ganyan kung pagtapon.
Sige.
Restorbol ba?
Wait, when do I come?
Gamit lamang daw, pasyon na.
Sige.
Tara, kami na lahat tayo.
No,
Yung pantalon niya, tingnan
wait
mo.
for him to throw his crutches kasi hindi makikita ang pagtapon niya. If walang bundok. If may bundok na.
Okay.
Get it?
You'll change the lahat tayo.
Pag
though.
lahat tayo.
Oh, you'll throw it at lahat tayo.
Pag lahat tayo,
Okay.
tapon ko yung...
Okay, and I'll just wait from the top to throw 'em. Alright,
Hit ko sa pico.
let's try it again.
Matik lang. Tapos
Or
first time.
tapon mo papunta doon na lang.
Yeah, what he did.
Papunta na lang dun.
And then
Dito dito.
Sige.
Sige.
But still wait for him to
No,
throw.
it's okay na.
Okay.
Ganyan.
Okay.
He throws it to the left.
Alright. Come in.
Oo.
Tapos mo sa akin.
May ano na lang, may sasalo.
Try ako.
Sige.
Malakas to.
Well, don't swing it at me.
Yun, Sige. Okay, balik. Yes, Pico.
Tapos
Pico.
pico.
Mountain exit.
Exit.
Iting, nakasaklay ka na. Tapos tapon mo kay Carlo.
Ready.
Count.
1, 2,
3, mountain!
Let's just say there was a mountain there.
I-exit na talaga yun. Dito natin lagay pag di na ginagamit.
Oh,
tama. Next, baka! Ano ba? Asa? Dito, nahanap ako kay Pamo.
Bundot. Di ba kitang bundot? Oh, yun tayo.
Next.
Tingnan mo.
Next.
Wait lang. Ayusin natin.
Perfect.
Tapon niyo lang ako.
Minten. Alright, tingnan mo pa mo.
Mama, look at
Yung quit mo. Ganyan.
Lagyan yun yung baka niya.
Taas.
Pamo, look at your tail.
Taas.
Look at your head. Look at your head. There you go.
Tama.
Pwede na.
Next scene. Tapon niyo lang.
Exit here. Enter from behind.
Oh, yes. Pero then I'm bigger.
Yep, you're gonna be coming from that way.
Okay.
May ganyan ba?
Boat.
Next scene.
Boat.
Ba't nandun yung kotse?
Doon siya manggagaling.
Okay. Go.
Okay, exit.
Wait.
From the side, enter from...
Car.
Isa ako Sige lang.
Sorry.
Next scene.
Exit mo na talaga. Dito
Exit
mo siya
better.
banda ilagay.
Oo.
Mag-exit mo ni Seichi, ha? Para hindi nakakasagabal.
Paco.
Wait lang.
Next scene.
Go.
Masyado kayo malayo.
Sige na. Nadigo.
Hold on. Wait.
That's so hard!
People are supposed to pick it out.
Oo.
Sorry guys.
Payo.
You can even kick the props.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I think better exit
Ay,
sa
star!
likod. Enter from the side, exit
Yeah,
back.
okay. Better.
Enter from the side, exit back. So
Faster, no?
reverse.
Yeah.
Enter from the side. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Huwag tawasit.
Do it again.
The guitar is chilling out. No,
Charotero!
Gawa tayo ng airplane.
Oh, maganda.
Sige. Okay na. Extra na lang yun.
I'll move closer.
Okay, balik rin natin. I think
We'll start
better
us
if
off.
exit is
We should.
palikod.
Para mas maliit.
Whatever you want.
Kasi
Let's
dito...
play with the music na.
Wait lang.
Larger
No.
doesn't necessarily mean
Ano
that.
pa?
Pero I thought
Ganyan
that
ako
was like
dito,
that was
bahay.
All around.
I thought that was the
And I
vision.
exit
Though. It's
like
like
that.
it's really
Straight back.
boom, it falls
Oh,
and
wala
it picks
ako
up
eh.
like a small ukulele.
Ay!
Yeah, do that.
Pag-exit nyo pala,
Dito.
itong
Bigel,
dalhin nyo ha?
yung exit natin, ibahin natin. For example, bahay, ganyan.
Oh.
Exit ko, lalakad lang ako papunta likod. Wala na ako.
Sige.
Okay.
So, ang pasok dito lahat, ready.
Wala na ako.
Wala na ako. Sige, tapos, exit ka. Diretso ka lang palikod, straight. Oh, wala na.
Okay.
Mabilis yung exit. Yung entry natin dito sa harap,
Importante, wala
baliktarin
mabangga.
natin.
Ano ngayon?
Yung enter is always from the side. Exit is always, just go straight back lang.
What about the part where I'm the guitar? I have to be here after. There's a part where I'm a guitar and then I have to be here right after.
You have to be here.
Like it's pretty fast transition.
Ako na lang. I'll do the
The
it's
dancing?
like that, and...
Tura nito.
You sure?
Okay, ako na lang.
Wait. Just kneel right here.
Okay,
For Kevin.
Oh, four on everything.
so ako na lang.
Okay.
Yay!
Lahat sila eh.
So I'll just,
You
I'll just
should wear like
Sige na,
a
makikita. Oh, letter E.
Sino? Siya.
Bago na ako.
Like in the, what the...
Yeah.
I have a tooth.
Bago na ako mag-letter E, bit-bit ko na.
Oh,
Pwede.
Para pag una ko yun.
okay, start tayo to do the entry and the exit.
Let's do this.
Okay, game.
I can't believe this.
It's a lot cleaner.
Sige na. Wala ko naiintindihan.
Wait, with music or without?
Let's make this the second last practice. The last one will be with music.
Okay.
Tapos, ito, letter iting.
Wala nang tumulong sa akin pag ikaw si Jitsi, no?
Oo.
See?
So, exit niyo, yung hindi kasama sa next scene, ang exit niyo palikod.
Ako lagi na nagkakabangga. Exit dito.
Palikod na, hindi na pa.
Palikod. Mas mabilis ang exit kasi pag ganyan.
Pare pa ako.
Ikaw na muna.
Kahit nandito pa ako sa...
Saan ka ba?
Ay!
Dito?
Okay, game. Game na.
Game.
Kaya tayo?
Okay, iting! Iting, pasok! Okay, bye!
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Aray ka. Lagi kang na.
Yan ang bahay.
Pinapaano ko Marley. Yeah. Kuya Iting, ipasok mo yung ano.
Nandito na. Gapang na dyan.
Dito tayo sa ano.
Wait, there's a couple of techniques later. Don't walk back. Just step
Huwag
on
mo nang hintayin.
Exit.
Exit.
Ginawa mo na yung trabaho
Wait
pa
for me
ba?
to disappear first.
Tatay!
Annalyn! Iting!
Pero for Bundok, I should already be here. Coming in through the back, kind of.
Bundok! Chico!
Oh my gosh! Tabi lang.
Okay.
Next scene!
Baka! Quit.
Next scene!
Next scene.
Gitna ka kaiting.
Kahoy. Oh, kahoy.
Okay.
Fish ponds later, okay?
Okay.
Next scene!
Wish I could just walk out.
Next scene!
Let's see.
Car.
Yung pagkaganan-ganan niya.
Exit.
scene.
Back. Likod. So, from the side ka na, Carlo.